This is how to find the chords for your song. So first of all you need to pick the scale. So I'm picking C major here. It goes C, D, E, F, G, A, B, back to C. I put the numbers above them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, back to C. That's one octave, that's an octave higher from it. This is the C major scale. Now to pick out the chords for your song, you just simply pick out the first, fourth and fifth one, which is C, F and G. C, F and G from here, and you got your chords for your song. Okay, so if you're tired of using just the C major scale to pick out your chords of C, F and G, you want another scale. What you use is the whole, half, whole, half system. This is what makes up the major scale, and how you use it is, say you want another scale of D, you use D as your starting note. Wholes and half. Wholes are just 2 frets and halves are 1 fret. So you find D on the guitar, which I'll show you in a minute, and you go D, whole, which is 2 frets, so you go D, whole, 2 frets, so it makes you come to E. From E, you go 2 frets again, another whole, which takes you to F sharp. From F sharp, you go half, which takes you to G sharp, no, to G, sorry. From G, you go whole, which is another 2 frets, which takes you to A. From A, you go whole, which takes you to B. From B, you go whole, which is another 2 frets, which takes you to C sharp. And from C sharp, you go half, which takes you to D. So you've just used whole, half, whole, half to put the spaces in between each note, and it's brought you to D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp and D. Now what you got there is the notes of the D major scale. So what you do is you put the numbers up above them again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 8. You take 3rd, 4th and 5th of it, which would be D, G and A, and they're your chords for your song, D, G and A. Taken from the 1st, 4th and 5th, D, G and A. We're going to start on the 5th fret of the A string, which is D. A whole is 2 frets, half is 1 fret, so we're going to go a whole from D to E. Then we're going to go a whole again, 2 frets from E to F sharp. Then we're going to go half, which is 1 fret to G. Then we're going to go whole, 2 frets to A. Then we're going to go whole again, 2 frets to B. Then we're going to go whole again, 2 frets to C sharp. Then we're going to go half to D. And if you write them down as you go along, you've got the notes of the D major scale. Okay, so now you've got your chords for your song. It's D major, G major and A major, the 1st, 4th and 5th. If you don't know the D major, G major and A major chord, and you don't know the fingerings to them, go to Google, wait for this to focus, and type in open D major chord. Do the same for the others, like open G major and open A major. Search it, then go up to images in the top, get a fucking mouse to scroll up, click on images, wait for that to load up, and then straight away it gives you a whole page full of images of the D major chord. So I'll pick one out down here, load it up, and there it'll give you the fingering for the G major chord. Now how this works is the X's mean those 2 strings ain't played. That one there, the O, means this string is played open, and these are the fingers. These are the fingers you used. 1 is your index finger, 2 is obviously your middle finger, and 3 being your 3rd finger, and you just put them on the fret shown on here. These are the frets down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are your strings starting from the fattest, fat E string, so that's E, A, D, G, B, E across there. and you just work it out. These notes down here are the notes when you press down on the string. That's the note that be played. It doesn't matter too much. So that you're on the E string, so you're fretting it there. So it's E, F, F sharp. You're fretting F sharp. You're fretting D there. You're fretting A on that string, and you're playing this string open. No fingers pressing down on the string. You're just playing the string open. So that's the D, open D, and you play on that, and that's the D chord. So look at the others to find the 3 chords you